वुड कटर वाली स्टोरी भी आपने पहले बहुत दफा सुनी है। वो एंजल आता है और ईमानदारी का मुजाहरा करता है। जी स्टार्ट।
There was a woodcutter.
There was a woodcutter.
He lived
He
in a
lived in a
village.
village.
He lived in a village.
He lived in a
He was very diligent and
He was
honest.
very diligent and
he was
honest.
He was
He was
famous for
he was he was famous
Famous, famous for his honesty in the whole village.
everybody
whole-
respected him.
Everybody respected him.
people respected him.
People
He
भी
was
लगा
the
सकते
sole,
हो।
he was the sole breadwinner of his family.
शाबाश। He was sole breadwinner कहते हैं जो रोजी कमाने वाला हो।
He worked from dawn to dusk.
He
In the
worked
forest.
from dawn to dusk.
He cut and sold the trees.
कट एंड सो कट की तीनों फॉर्म सेम होती हैं। सेल की बजाय क्या हो जाएगा? सोल्ड होएगा। जी इसके बाद है
In this way, he earned his livelihood.
in this way he earned his livelihood.
He lived from hand to mouth.
He lived from hand to mouth.
But he was contented.
But he was contented या however he was contented, क्योंकि opposite बात हो रही है। जो बंदा hand to mouth रह रहा है वो contented भी होता है। opposite बात हो रही है। जी
One day he went to the nearby forest.
one day he went to the nearby forest for daily work.
A stream flew through the forest.
A stream या river flew through the forest.
He wanted to cut a tree.
Cut a tree. One day he wanted.
He climbed up the tree.
The tree specific हो जाएगा।
He began to cut the tree.
He began to cut the branches.
His axe slipped from his hand.
His axe slipped from his hand.
The axe fell into the water.
Fell into the river या into the water.
He got worried.
He got worried at the loss.
He was deprived of his
Deprived of his
He was deprived. He had been deprived. He has been deprived of his means of livelihood.
He was too poor to buy a
new axe. Shabash.
He started weeping bitterly.
He started weeping bitterly.
The God had mercy on him.
God did mercy. अगर आपने वो God मरकरी लगाना हो तो फिर ठीक है। अदर गॉड के लिए जो ना वो गॉड हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एंजल जो ना गॉड की तरफ से आते हैं। जी और हम appeared there. जी he asked him the reason of his weeping.
The woodcutter narrated the whole incident.
Narrated हो जाएगा second form.
The angel decided to help him.
अब यहाँ पे ही नहीं लगाना, द एंजल लगाना है, क्योंकि नाउन आपका चेंज हो गया है।
He dived into the river.
He dived पीछे एंजल है तो द एंजल लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
He took out a silver axe.
And took out a silver axe.
He asked it was his axe.
His axe. Your axe की बजाय his axe आ जाएगा, क्योंकि your किसको इंडिकेट कर रहा है? वुड कटर को। और वुड कटर की जगह पर नाउन क्या लगाएंगे? his axe आ जाएगा।
The woodcutter
his mind, जब the woodcutter's mind wavered का मतलब डगमगा जाना।
He thought that he could buy a lot of things with the silver axe.
He thought that he could buy a lot of things with silver axe.
But he remained determined and refused to take it.
But he was determined and refused to take it. Remained और was का मीनिंग सेम होता है, होने का मीनिंग देते हैं दोनों। जी
The angel plunged into the river.
The angel plunged into the river again.
This time he came with the gold axe.
This time he came with a golden axe, a gold axe.
The woodcutter replied that it was not his.
इट वॉज नॉट हिज, इज चेंज हो जाएगा वॉज में जो पास्ट टेंस है।
The angel jumped into
Jumped into
the
the river for a third time.
जहाँ पे द एंजल लगाना, ही नहीं लगाना, क्योंकि पीछे ही रिप्लाई किसने किया था, वुड कटर ने। यहाँ पे द एंजल लगाना जी।
He brought the
This time
iron axe.
He brought the iron axe, the iron axe क्यों लगाया यहाँ पे? पहले तो हमने सिल्वर के साथ भी आ और उसके साथ भी आ लगाया। इसकी वजह यह है कि ये पहले वही वाला आयरन एक्स जो उसका अपना था, इसलिए स्पेसिफिक हो गया।
The woodcutter jumped with joy and shouted that it was his.
इट वॉज हिज, ठीक है, उसका है माइन यहाँ पे, वुड कटर कह रहा था उसके हिसाब से हिज आ जाएगा।
The god
the angel God
द एंजल
The
गॉट
angel
गॉट
he
the
handed
angel
over the
other two
he
axes as a
handed
reward.
over other two axes as a reward of his honesty.
The woodcutter walked home with sweet dreams of bright future.
जी, और उसके बाद मॉरल लेसन, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी। ये हमारा हो गया।